Devansh, please open your camera. All of you open your camera. Let me check my this thing network. Yes, now I can see Devansh. Sarthak, okay, he's not connected to audio. Because of my poor signals, videos and your reactions are not visible to me.
Now, ma'am, you can see.
Yes, now I can hear you very clearly, Risha. I can see you also. Earlier, it was looking like all of you are sitting with your videos off while your videos were on, each one of you. I know that. Okay, very nice. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to read it. From where? After inscriptions. Start to read, Rishabh.
Ma'am, painting and sculptures.
Yes,
Inscription.
beta, whatever next we have.
Painting and sculptures.
Sculptures.
Painting and yes, ma'am. Painting and sculptures
No.
from
Wait,
an important.
wait. It's not sculptures. First speak.
Sculpture.
Sculptures.
Sculpture.
Very nice. Very good.
Painting and sculpture from an important sources from studying our past. One learns about the ma'am after about the what is this?
About the occupations.
Occupations, dresses and lifestyle of the people at that time. The cave painting of ma'am after painting of what is this?
The cave paintings of Bhimbetka.
Bhimbetka
depict
the life of early humans.
Okay. Now, paintings and sculptures form an important source for studying our past. People used to do a lot of painting. They used to make lot many sculptures. What are sculptures? Do you all know what is sculpture? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, murtiyan.
Very nice. Very good. Murtiyan, idols. Idols होते हैं ना? All of you have seen मिट्टी की मूर्तियां बनती हैं. They are called idols. So
yes, ma'am.
People used to do a lot of artwork. Walls पे painting कर देते थे, मूर्तियां बना देते थे, जो resemble करती थी real life people से. So these sculptures and paintings used to tell us a lot about our historical people. Then one learns about the occupations. What is occupation? Any one of you can tell me? Occupation का क्या मतलब होता है?
Occupation means business.
Yes, the work you do, not business, the work you do. Like farmer. Being a farmer is one kind of occupation. Being somebody else, maybe a painter, maybe a tailor, maybe anything. They had different occupations. So through these paintings and sculptures, they used to depict different occupations, different dresses and lifestyle of the people of that time. Okay, the cave paintings of Bhimbetka depict the life of early humans. अब जो early humans थे, when life on earth had just begun. तो उस टाइम आप लोगों ने पेंटिंग बनाई, आप लोगों ने ड्राइंग बनाई ना एंशिएंट पीरियड की. So these kind of drawings were made by the cave paintings of Bhimbetka. अच्छा, what do you mean by depict? Depict का क्या मतलब होता है? Yes. Depict means to show or to tell. So these paintings used to tell about the life of early humans. Okay? Write down the meaning over there. Underline the word depict and write under it tell.
Good morning. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
I don't have book.
You don't have a book. Okay. When you'll have a book, you will write it over there.
Ma'am,
Fine.
what we have to underline?
Okay,
Ma'am, what we
ma'am.
have to underline?
बेटा the word
Depict.
depict मैंने आपको depict का meaning बताया ना, so just underline it
Yes,
and
ma'am.
write the meaning of word
Ma'am, I
depict.
know.
Very
Oh,
good.
sorry, ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am, you say to tell also.
Yes, to show or to tell. Okay, then next we have artifacts. Now what are artifacts? Let's study. Okay, Devansh Verma, very good.
Ma'am, ancient things.
Yes, things of historical importance are called artifacts. Okay, Devansh, start reading, beta. Beta, unmute yourself, Devansh.
Artifacts including ornaments, tools, pottery, or other objects made by humans begins are
Human
an
beings. Human beings.
human beings. Human beings are an important source of information about the time period to which they belong.
Yes. So artifacts are what? Artifact is something that is of a thing of historical importance is called an artifact. So there were different artifacts like pottery, like ornaments, like different tools. So they also used to tell us about the time when time period to which these things belong. Then after this we have fossils. Now what are fossils? Let's study. Who will read? Atharv Singh will read.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Read, beta.
Fossils, the remaining
Fossils,
of
not
plants
fossil.
and
Beta, fossils.
fossils.
For yes, fossils.
The remaining of plants and animals usually found in rocks are also another source of history. Archaeologists use gloves and other
Shovels. Archaeologists use shovels
and other tools to excavate fossils.
fossils. Okay. So now what are fossils? Fossils are the remains of plants and animals. These fossils, what used to happen? They used to get buried under the ground or in the rocks. So what was done to them? The archaeologists used different types of tools to study these fossils. Now, how do we know about dinosaurs? All of you know about dinosaurs, right? You must have seen the movie also that is related to dinosaurs. So, do dinosaurs exist in the present time? आज के टाइम में
Yes, ma'am.
हैं?
No, ma'am.
So how do we know about dinosaurs? Because everybody please mute yourself.
Ma'am, I know what is fossils.
Very nice. Now everybody mute yourself, first of all. So how do we know about the animals that are extinct? Extinct is some species that has finished. Now that species does not survive on the earth. It is no more. So how do we know about them? Because of the fossils, because of their remains that were buried in the ground or they were in the rocks. So we know about them. What did archaeologists used to do? They used to use different types of tools to study them. and that is how we know about them. Okay, any doubt, any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then next, literary sources. Now we come on to the next. Okay, before we come on to the next page, on the same page, how many of you don't have books here?
Ma'am, I have books.
Ma'am, I have no book.
Ma'am, I have book.
Okay, anybody
I
who
have books
wants,
from Rishabh Kumar.
anybody who wants the PDF of this chapter? All of you have, Rishabh Kumar, you want the PDF or you already have the book?
Ma'am, I have answers PDF.
Yes?
Ma'am, we have done the question answers.
No, we have not done, beta. We have not even started. We have only
Okay,
done
ma'am.
important points, the key points of this chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, I don't know, like, I have not done question answers.
All right. So now next we have literary sources. Who is going to read the literary source? Okay, Vikas Rathore will read because Vikas has not got his turn till now.
Ma'am, which page number?
Literary sources are the
Beta,
written
which page number,
records.
Sarthak? Which page number are we on?
Ma'am, 9. Ma'am, 11.
11. Okay, page number 11.
11.
Literary sources are the written records, accounts, fictions, and non-fictions written found by historians before the invention of paper, human wood, the palm leaf, or the bark of birch trees, which are called
Okay, beta, it is, first of all, it is not, it is palm leaves. Palm, P-A-L-M, L is silent here. Okay? Palm leaves and the tree is, beta, who is not muted? Acha, it's because, Jajat, mute yourself. Okay, the next is birch tree. It's not bridge, it's birch. B-I-R-C-H. Then continue.
These important records of the past tell us about the lives of the people and their kings, their laws and
religious beliefs.
beliefs and practices.
Very nice. That's all. So literary sources. What are the literary sources? See, they are the written records of anything. Then, before the invention of paper, जब तक पेपर इन्वेंट नहीं हुआ था, humans used to write on what? They used to write on the leaves of palm tree, on palm leaf or on the bark of the birch trees, which were called manuscripts. What were these called? What were these called? These were called manuscripts. These important records of the past tell us about the lives of the people, right? Through written records, what do we know? We know about the life of these people. The laws. What are the laws? The rules, the regulations they used to have or they used to make, and their religious beliefs. What they used to believe, how they used to believe in different religions, we all come to know through that. Okay, through these manuscripts. Then next, who will read next? Manas Garg. Manas Garg,
Yes, ma'am.
let us start reading.
Ma'am, I have no book.
Okay, you don't have the book. Harsh Patel, what about you? Okay, beta, I am
Yes,
sharing.
ma'am, I have book.
Yes, I am sharing the PDF of this chapter on your class group. Those who do not have the book can see it. Okay, start reading. Harsh Patel and Manas, I have sent the PDF. You can check the PDF from there, and while he is reading, pay attention to what is being read. Yes, start.
Ma'am, where is I read?
Beta, literary sources, second paragraph. The first one has been read.
Literature of the past were of two kinds, religious and non-religious. Religious literary sources contain stories about God and goddess
Goddess,
and prayer songs.
goddesses.
Some goddesses. Some religious sources are the Vedas, the Puranas, and the great Ips,
Epics and
Ramayana,
the great
Ramayana
epics.
and Mahabharata. Epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Okay, that's all beta. So, literature of the past were of two kinds. One used to be religious and the other used to be non-religious. Then, religious source contain about gods and goddesses. So, how do we know about which god do we follow today? We only know through these sources. If these sources were not here right now, then whom would we have prayed to? How do we come to know? How would we come to know about whom to pray? Right? So we know the gods and goddesses through these religious literary sources. Then some religious sources are the Vedas, the Purans, and the great epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. So you can be asked a question, name any two great epics. So what are you going to name? Which names are you going to tell? If I ask you two great epics.
Ma'am, Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Very nice. Very good. So here, children, we come to the end of today's class, right? In the next class, we are going to continue from the next paragraph, and till here you all have to do the revision. Okay?
Then the class is over.
Yes, the class is over. Bye to all of you.
Bye bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for teaching us. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.